Welcome to Crypto Pump. During the first week of November, Safemoon CEO John Caroni took to Twitter and posted a time-lapse video of the company's turbine assembly process. Caroni reminded investors of the advancements made in solar energy and hinted that they could have a positive impact on the fortunes of Safemoon, a little something special for the #Safemoon army. The topic of turbines was not discussed, but here's a fast time-lapse video of me putting together the little version. The turbine is being used solely for testing purposes. The models that will be installed will be larger. In the words of the tweet, #Safemoon is the #evolution. The NFTs take over New York. Caroni also traveled to New York to attend the NFT.NYC conference, which she attended as well. The conference attracted more than 5,500 attendees, and journalist Kevin Rose of the New York Times described it as Woodstock in miniature. The Safemoon community was invited to come meet Caroni in person at the conference, which she announced via Twitter. This week, I'll be visiting NFT.NYC with the #Safemoon army. Please stop by and say hello. #Safemoon, #Safemoon wallet. Only one day later, the Safemoon team submitted the Reflections Tracker list and issued push notifications to all Android smartphones in the vicinity. Apple is, however, still reviewing the submissions at the time of publication. The submitted Reflections Tracker for Android has been fixed. Push bells are transmitted to devices in the order of 3, 2, 1. Our submission from Friday is still being reviewed by iOS. The head is exploding. New and exciting import alternatives are being developed, and this has already begun. Can't stop, won't stop, tweeted Caroni from the Safemoon Hound. Can't stop, won't stop. Safemoon Wallet also has Shiba Inu, Chainlink, and Aave coin listed as supported coins on the platform. It's happening right now in the #Safemoon Wallet. You asked for it, and we delivered. There will be many more, he predicted. Safemoon Wallet has received 600,000 downloads and is likely to surpass the 1 million downloads milestone in the near future. Caroni also revealed that while in New York, he met a lot of interesting people and made collections that will be beneficial to Safemoon's future. According to him, great stuff would be coming out of the meetings he had with people in New York in the near future. I met some incredible people while I was in New York City. From these meetings will come some really interesting ideas and information. #Safemoon is the #evolution, says the author. The future has gotten a little more evolved because I met some incredible people. The adoption of Safemoon gaming. Aside from solar energy and wind turbines, Caroni hinted that a game technology collaboration could be in the works. Customers will be able to purchase Zydax PC's 30 series GPU gaming PCs with Safemoon in the near future, according to the company. Everyone has been asking about adoption, and good news is that Zydax PCs has 30 series GPU gaming PCs. Consult with your sales team, who are also members of the #Safemoon army, about the possibility of purchasing it using cryptocurrency. There will be even more adoption after the release of V2, he predicted. Do you know that, despite the fact that both Dogecoin and Safemoon have reached all-time highs in recent months, is it possible that the latter is outpacing the Shiba Inu-themed cryptocurrency in terms of gains? The moonshot that didn't work. Doge Army members tried unsuccessfully to raise the value of Doge to 69 cents or $1 on Doge Day, which occurred on April 20th, but failed. On the day, Safemoon reached a new all-time high of $0.000014, surpassing all previous highs. Doge reached an all-time high of 43 cents on April 16th, just 4 days before the Doge Day celebrations began. Safemoon has plummeted 52.78% since reaching its lofty all-time high value, while Doge has fallen 41.19% since reaching its all-time high valuation. At the time of publication, Doge had dropped 5.82% in the last 24 hours to $0.26, and Safemoon had fallen 2.28% to $0.000066. Since Doge Day, both Doge and Safemoon have had a downward trajectory, but the pain has been more acute for supporters of one of the two coins than for supporters of the other coin. However, Doge was able to reach 42 cents on that day, a number that has taken a significance in regard to the date 420, which is also popular in the cannabis culture, but the cryptocurrency has declined by 38.09% since then. Safemoon as a protected moon is a newcomer to the scene, having only been released a month ago. Sell on Safemoon and you'll be charged a 10% fee on the amount that you choose to sell and you'll receive a 5% incentive on the amount that you sell. Last week, Safemoon reached 1 million users, but crypto influencer Lark Davis warned investors about the project, claiming it was a Ponzi scheme and urging them to avoid investing. A Ponzi scheme is a sort of scam in which earnings are generated for earlier investors by using the money obtained from more recent participants to fund the operation. I've seen dozens of cryptographic algorithms that are all essentially the same. I said, it's not going to end nicely. Eventually the money will stop flowing and the system will come crashing down, Lark predicted on Twitter. Is Safemoon SFM poised to repeat its rapid rise of 2021 in the coming year? Safemoon is a DeFi token that was created by the community for the community. As a meme coin, the intention was that it'll be able to compete with other high-growth meme coins such as Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Safemoon has gone up in flames. In April, the market reached all-time highs. However, things haven't exactly been sailing smoothly after then either. Take a look at some of the highlights listed below. In the months following its all-time high in April, Safemoon has seen its value plummet by nearly 90%. The coin has had a monthly decline of more than 50% in the month of December alone, albeit it has begun to recover some of these losses. Safemoon is different from other meme coins in that it is offering more usefulness, such as an Android and iOS version of the Safemoon wallet. Safemoon is a cryptocurrency that provides price prediction and analysis. The most pressing question for most investors right now is whether Safemoon will be able to sustain the spectacular growth it had in the first half of 2021. As recently as April, the coin had delivered an ROI of about 45,000% since its debut, putting it in the top 10 of all cryptocurrency returns. Safemoon has plummeted from its April highs as a result of headwinds in the broader cryptocurrency market. It is extremely doubtful that we will see a significant increase in the stock market this year. However, as Safemoon continues to integrate more utility features into its ecosystem, the coin's value is expected to rise significantly in the long run. What's the best time to invest in Safemoon? It is vital to remember that Safemoon is still considered a meme symbol. We are seeing more utility features introduced into the ecosystem and they're becoming more valuable, but they're still not nearly as valuable as something like Solana. As a result, SFM is subject to extreme volatility and should be treated as a short-term speculative asset at this time. If you want to ride any bullish rise in the year 2022, now is the best moment to buy SFM, according to experts. However, when it comes to long-term worth, it is quite difficult to see any gain. That's it from us. What do you think of these changes? Let us know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already.